Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play YouTube on Toyota Camry step by step. Start by powering on the Camry and unlocking your phone, then connect via USB or Bluetooth. If your model has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, enable that feature in settings. Alternatively, use an HDMI or wireless adapter for video playback. I will guide you through each option clearly, troubleshoot common issues, and help you pick the easiest method. If your Camry supports Android Auto, connect your phone via USB or wireless pairing and accept prompts on both screens. Open the YouTube app on your phone and use the projection or compatible media player to stream audio and video. Some systems block video while driving, so use parking mode or a passenger to control playback. I'll explain safety checks, permission prompts, and simple fixes if the app doesn't appear on the car display. When Android Auto or CarPlay are not available, try an HDMI adapter or a wireless HDMI transmitter to connect a phone or tablet to the Camry screen. A Chromecast or smart TV stick plugged into an aftermarket display can cast YouTube directly. Remember that many factory systems block video while driving, so plan to play videos only when parked. I'll walk you through setup steps, cable routing tips, and how to test audio syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.